For months, the patient kept making excuses of his symptoms. But by the time he stopped making excuses, the diagnosis was already there. A 58-year-old school teacher came to the OPD with a strange complaint. He said, "Doctor, I think I'm eating too fast these days." But that wasn't the actual problem. For months, he noticed that food was getting occasionally stuck while he was eating, especially the rice and chapati. He laughed it off. "I'm just eating too fast," he told to his family, so he started drinking more water with the meals. The problem seemed to improve, but only for a while. And a few months later, he noticed something worrying. Now, even the soft foods were difficult to swallow. His wife noticed that he was eating less. His colleagues noticed that he was losing weight. Still, he delayed to go to the hospital. Finally, when he came to the OPD, the doctor asked one important question: what became difficult first, solids or liquids? The answer was solids, and now even liquids. That immediately raised a red flag because difficulty swallowing solids first, followed by liquids, suggests a progressive growing obstruction in the esophagus. Further investigations confirmed the diagnosis, that is, esophageal carcinoma. The symptom he ignored for months wasn't a habit, it was a warning. So tell me now, if a patient had faced a problem in swallowing both the solids and liquids from the beginning, then which disease would you suspect first? Comment below your answer and follow for more.